You never know who you're going to find when you go to the farmer's market. Who have I got today? Who are we looking at?
Elena and Claire.
Elena and Claire and Sonya.
That's right. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great. And we're here at the farmer's market. And it's summer and y'all are up at 8 o'clock.
They were excited to meet you today.
They're ready? Well, it's good to meet you too. Did you get a cookie already? Do they have cookies over there?
Mm-hmm.
What do you usually come looking for, Sonya?
I usually come looking for fresh vegetables and sometimes bread.
Candy.
Candy? They have candy here?
I don't know.
I don't know. Well, no, her mom doesn't know they have candy, right?
No.
No. As far as we understood, there's no chocolate chip
no
cookies.
chocolate chip cookies or muffins or anything like that.
Well, show me around. So this is the kind of the art space, or
This is new.
Yeah?
Because this outgrew the small area, so they're extending this way.
well, this is a problem to have. That's cool.
Yes.
Very, very, very cool.
So which way do you want to start?
Well, let's take a walk this way real quick. Hang on.
Okay.
He has one of these too? So people from just all over, right?
Absolutely.
How long have you been coming?
Since it opened.
Really?
Yes, they have lots of nice stuff.
Well, I was sent with a shopping list today.
Ah.
So somewhere in here,
Some great tomatoes. What are you looking for?
I was told to get tomatoes. I was told to get green beans, okra, although we don't fry things, but we're going to try okra. Yeah. We love
Okay.
okra, yeah. And boy, it's just got a little bit of everything. Now, my friends here, Joe and Dana Taravella from Fat Possum Farms were supposed to be here. I don't know if they made it today or not. He said he had to run back to Shreveport. They had some issues, so I didn't know. Fat rabbit, huh? Broccoli?
7 in for Becca today. She'll be here in a little bit, actually. Oh, yeah, she's good.
Well, remember we buy after we finish.
So is it very important that we do our shopping and get it early in the morning, or they?
Yes, because they'll run out. Once they run out, they have other. They have markets. Some of them have special orders you can pick up
Really?
ahead of time. Yeah, this one is one of those.
Oh,
Fat Rabbit Farms are all organic out of Hot Springs, and they also go to the market in.
if that's free.
Springs on
Yeah. What
Saturdays.
is Saturday? I was going to ask what day that is. Well, this is awfully cool. Wow.
And these guys have been here forever as well.
5 phone.
Mhm.
All right. Good morning. You got pot holders galore and bowl holders. I've seen these.
Yes, I have some of hers.
We actually went to Y Mountain and bought some of these. You know, the Y Mountain Daffodil Festival.
Yes, I've never
Beautiful.
been to that. I always miss it. Seem to miss it.
I'll show you next time it's around.
Okay, absolutely.
Well, thanks for showing us. Let's step down and we'll
Girls, let's go see
take a
this
look here
one.
real quick. They got puppies and
Lots of puppies.
and a whippet.
Good morning.
Good morning. I had a friend who had a whippet just come up in his yard out in Pine Bluff. He had never seen one in his life, and he was like, "This is the fastest little dog." I'm like, "Yeah," and it literally adopted them. Well, this is beautiful stuff, isn't it?
I know.
I'm gonna tell you what. Here's your salespeople right here. Ooh ah.
Yes, absolutely. They love to shop, and this one is. She says I'm sparkly. She likes.
Oh, she's a
things.
sparkly.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's. I was gonna say that's a phase, but maybe not. Maybe they stay with it.
No. Well,
Wow.
we're gonna shop first, and then we'll come back and buy.
I like these meat.
Oh, those are beautiful.
Be careful, you can touch it. Just don't touch your hand.
No, that's
I
fine.
did
That's
for
a,
you. I stabbed you. Be careful, ladies. There's some
There's some
knots on
knives, so we don't want to hurt
yeah,
ourselves.
they are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow.
I've never seen it work here, so this
Have you not?
is
This is
neat.
this is a new deal for you, huh?
Mhm.
Well, now knowing what Maison looks like, I know this is a deal for you. Oh, these are beautiful, aren't they?
Hi. Isn't that cute? I like this the duck best. It's a birthday cake. Cupcake.
How many?
That was for my birthday. I know these are seven. Oh, they're mine at $7.50. What are the little stones? What's this piggy? The piggy's 15. 15. The raised flags. Well, the flags are decoration.
Yes, those aren't for sale.
Yes,
She
but
just
we
has
got
them.
the tumblers that have celebrate our 250th. Keep the beverage hot or cold. Whatever it is.
Who's the artist?
My father, our father. Sorry.
How cool.
So
Wonderful.
it's his legacy. He has left here.
And ice cream.
What?
No dairy and
Yes,
no
girl.
sugar.
This wouldn't be ice cream at 8 a.m., would it? Come on.
It's frozen bananas.
Frozen bananas. Really?
No sugar, no dairy.
Bring the knife.
Just plain bananas.
Plain bananas.
How cool.
So guessing we're gonna end up getting some of this.
So odds are this is, yeah, odds are.
Okay, let's keep going.
We were in Barcelona. And good morning. What beautiful work you have here.
Thank you.
Something tells me there's some hours put into this, right?
There's hours.
A
A
little
lot
bit
of
of,
hours put into those.
oh, wow.
Yes,
That
indeed.
is
It's called
incredible.
basket illusion. So it's taking wood and turning it, beating it, wood burning it, coloring it, and then finishing it out of wood to make it look like a woven basket.
That is magnificent.
Just the flowers?
Well, they're in the vase, right?
Well, they're not much good without a vase, are they? Come on. No.
You just want the flowers.
Yeah. That's a beautiful rolling pin and everything.
Yes.
This is so beautiful. I'll have to come back and ask you more if you don't mind, okay?
Oh, more
More
goodies.
pastries and sweeties? Well,
Yummy.
you could have a cookie, but you've already had one.
Ah.
Have you ever seen the frozen bananas like that before?
I've seen them here, but I've never tried it before.
That's
I thought
interesting.
it was ice cream. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
interesting.
I thought it was too. Yeah,
I'm
interesting.
guessing we'll have to try that in a bit.
Well, I said we were in Barcelona and I bought some bananas. Didn't think anything about it. Well, they came from North Africa, and they actually tasted like bananas. And I was thinking, how did we forget what bananas taste like? How did we? Yeah. That look will be classic. I love that look. Yeah.
Hey, this is
Oh, awesome. Hey, good morning. We are. You've been filmed. You're not on the witness relocation program or anything, are you?
No.
Okay, not now. No, not now.
No, we got off.
These are so yesterday.
these are beautiful.
These are beautiful. And the name of this is Muddy Puddles Water Fighter. That is so cute. These are awesome.
In Come on, shoppers, we're still looking. Yes, indeed. They don't miss much.
Not much at all.
I didn't buy this from me. I
Hey, good morning. That'll be a repeated theme. Can I have some more dollars?
They always want
More dollars. More dollars. Now, where do they live? Are they here in Rock?
They live in Alexandria, Arkansas. They're about to start school next week.
Next week.
Not right now. They're just shopping right now.
The shopping in the buying part.
Yeah, the shopping and the buying. You got to see what they have first.
So this will keep them occupied for hours, right?
Oh, yes.
We'll cut off here for a second. Hello, yeah.
Yes, that's a big deal now.
All right. Talk to y'all
Oh,
later.
my goodness. You know what?
Hand-baked goods.
Baked goods. You know, I started making sourdough because of the s'mores.
Really?
I was buying it and it was like so yummy, and then I thought,
Oh my
give it
goodness.
a try.
Okay, so we drive all the way to Costco a little way to get some of this bread. I'm like, I'll be right back. Remember that shopping and buying thing? Yeah, we'll be right back. I'll be right back for this, yeah. Hello.
Hi.
Love your stuff. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, these are cool. Love the bracelets.
I made a vintage and antique silverware.
Something tells me you don't have any problem finding that either, do you? Do you have any trouble finding your vintage silverware?
I do not.
Oh, I'm sure you're making as we go.
That's why I bring my bender for sure.
Well, I'll be down. So you can make any size ring you want, right?
Yep.
Oh, cool. Did you know? Did you know she's making her own rings as she goes there?
Ah,
They've got a little bender.
How much is the mirror?
that's
The
not.
mirror is to try on necklaces with.
Yes, that's not for sale.
Now I can hang on. I can tell. I can tell Ike you've been on a bender.
That's right. That is true.
Very okay.
When we're done with all of these, these are all so
Darn good barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce.
Oh, every butt deserves a good sauce. That's true.
Uh-huh.
and the
I thought you were gonna say a good rub.
Let's not touch everything, okay? Would you like to try some sauce? You fine?
We'll be back in a minute and try some. Thank you.
I really like one of those.
You really like one of those?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna have to come back and get one of those probably.
Okay. So we go down to the makeup. Now are we gonna buy?
Now we're gonna buy, right?
Now we're gonna buy. Bye. Have a great day.
How are y'all?
Hey, how are you?
Oh boy, these are low fat and low sugar and all that stuff, right?
No sugar, no
Good.
butter.
Okay, good. I love delusions. I like that. These look beautiful. Mother Goose, huh?
That's us. And we also have a promotion right now. With any purchase, you could win dinner for two with a private chef. That's myself and my husband.
Oh, cool.
This is a sample menu that we have here, but they're all customizable. So this is just something we thought that people would like. But if you prefer chicken or fish or a homemade pasta or something along those lines, we could do it. So
Well, I tell you what. Let me give you my podcast card, but I want to talk with you and we'll chat more. Okay?
excellent. I love that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
I'll be right
sir.
back. Is okra putting out this year? You know, it's amazing. Zucchini and squash, even if you don't want them to grow, they're growing, right? They fruit all year round.
Finally got in contact with him. And now I know his name and number for real.
Hey, what beautiful stuff.
Oh, thank you. How are you today?
I'm doing well. This is absolutely gorgeous. And all these just take 5 or 10 minutes a piece, right?
That's it.
No.
Absolutely. 5 or 10 minutes.
5 or 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow. Absolutely goodness. Wow, how beautiful. How do you make the burn in here? How do you do that?
That's Lichtenstein burning or fractal burning. And it's done by using I make a solution of baking soda and water.
Really?
And then I put it on the wood with like a foam brush or whatever and
Right.
kind of let it seep in. And then I hook it up to the machine that has like 2 different probes on it. I put one on each end. And then I turn on the electricity and
So-
it basically burns it. Yeah.
Wow.
It fractures it. So it looks like, river tributaries. It looks like everything in nature, right? Tree
Oh my
roots.
goodness. And you never know what the pattern's going to be, do you?
Well, it depends on the wood. I can kind of, I can make it bigger and deeper or less.
Yeah.
Depending on how strong I have the amps on.
Sure. And let it go
and
longer.
the strength of the solution and how wet the wood is. It just depends.
Yeah, it's
but
absolutely
yeah.
beautiful.
Thanks.
Do you have a card?
I didn't have time to print it off anymore, but I'll be happy to give you my.
That's breakfast, you know. Hey, in Europe, that's what people eat something sweet for breakfast. Homemade.
It's homemade from scratch. It's not got any fillers and yucky additives in it. So.
The tumblers are all still there. Actually, they're actually switching over to medicine today. They should be getting their medicine this afternoon. Yeah. Yeah, she may be out at Balboa Beach floating.
Place to be.
They're all $5 a pair. Well, this is what if they're not a silicone mold that I use, then this is what I pour everything into, a little 3-ounce Dixie cup, and then I start cutting that into sections, and then I make my patterns, and then I make my earrings out of that. But
And then you buff them to get them shiny, or what?
no, that's a coat of, each one of these are coated with epoxy on both sides. So just to do the coating is 2 days.
Wow.
It's 24 hours for set the epoxy. Some of these earrings can take as long as 7 days to make.
Well, I'm sorry, I don't mean that. You sure some of these aren't fishing lures? They look pretty good.
Well, I've had guys that ask me if I can start making fishing lures too. So.
I can see why. I can see why. Okay, I appreciate all that. That's interesting, but I'm using you to get to your truck. So, what a beautiful truck.
No, right here. Yeah.
Right?
Well, I'll be at the one up here, I think. Yeah. And I'm thinking about going downtown on Tuesday, 4 to 7 down there. They won't let me get into the one on Saturday down there because they don't want too many people with jewelry.
Don't delay. Call Janae. Janae Cook, Taylor Realty, 501-617-9747. Whether you're buying, selling, or just considering. Oh, we don't need a realtor yet. Yes, you do. Don't delay. Call Janae. 501-617-9747. Call 501-922-9259. Joanna Horton at M-Force Capital. She can offer a complimentary financial evaluation planning session just for you and your needs. Once again, 501-922-9259. And literally like your good neighbor, Ike Eisenhauer, your State Farm agent. Your good neighbor is there. 501-984-4100. The Home Plate Cafe and Bakery. Great home cooking and an amazing bakery located just outside the gates of Hot Springs Village. 501-984-6969 or go through the drive-thru. The Midnight Tavern, Hot Springs Village only late night place that stays open till 2 a.m. Great music, amazing drinks, and Chef Jonna cooking for you every night. At 110 Colella Drive, Hot Springs Village, Arkansas, just across from the Call for information at 501-226-0078, 501-226-0078, or check them out on Facebook with all the latest entertainment. And by Domino's Pizzas, West and upcoming East. That's right, Domino's Pizza will have an East location mid-2026. Great food, great service, and 501-915-9595. 501-915-95. Hot Springs Village only short-term rental with over 2,100 five-star reviews. All properties are lakefront. They include complimentary kayaks, hot tub, pet-friendly, and a stunning view of the lake. Visit DD Village Prop today for your vacation getaway.